It's time to switch out another salt cell. I cleaned a salt cell, right? And I manually checked the salt level, and it's at about 3,400, and it's giving a false salt reading. So this wasn't even on last week. Last week, the reason I figured that this was going dead is because it was giving a false number. So last week it was like 2,800, and I checked it was like 3,400. And I'm coming here this week, and now all the lights are blinking. So it's one of the telltale signs that your salt cell is dead. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. Okay, so we just changed the salt cells. Issue being, this one is an old Blue Essence, which it's a T5, which they don't make anymore, right? So since I have a different size cell from a T5 to now I'm going to a T9, we actually have to change the configurations here. So you're gonna just keep hitting the diagnostics button until you come to the numbers that have a T in front of it. Disregard all the other numbers. Right, T, it's a T5. To change this, you're just gonna flick this switch up once. Boom, now it's to a T9, okay? And you can keep doing that until you go to a different, like say you need to go to a T15, boom, it'll keep going through. T3, T5, T9, and it'll keep going through. So now we're set to the proper configuration, right? We went from a T5 to a T9. And we went, and if you noticed before on the T5, it had the salt level at, it was like 4,300 because it's going to be inaccurate to it. So yeah, so now the salt level is reading more accurately, and that's what you got to do, T5 to T9. See you next time.